in a clothing store. Listen to a dialogue between a sales clerk and a customer who wants to buy a sweater. Sales clerk: Hi, welcome to our store. Can I help you find anything? Customer: Yes, I'm looking for a sweater. Sales clerk: Of course, what size are you looking for? Customer: I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Sales clerk: Sure. Would you like the size to be small, medium, or large? Customer: Oh, I see. Large, please. Sales clerk: And what color would you like? We have it in pink, white, and green. Customer: I think I'll go with white. Sales clerk: Great choice. Would you like to try it on? Customer: Yes, please. Sales clerk: The change room is right over there. Let me know if you need a different size or anything else. Customer: Can you please bring me the large in pink as well? Sales clerk: Sure, here you go. How do the sweaters fit? Customer: They are perfect. I'll take both of them, thank you. Sales clerk: My pleasure. Have a nice day.